Capital One crisis, can they stop that payment? Ever had that sinking feeling after hitting send on a bill payment? Maybe you accidentally paid the wrong amount or realized you need that cash for something else. If you're a Capital One customer, you might be wondering, can they pull back that payment before it's too late? Let's face it, financial mistakes happen. Bills pile up, budgets get tight, and sometimes that finger slips a little too quickly. But before you panic, hold on. This video will dive into the nitty-gritty of Capital One's payment cancellation policy and explore your options for stopping that payment in its tracks. Now, the answer isn't a simple yes or no. It depends on a few key factors, like the type of payment you made and how far along it is in the processing cycle. So, buckle up and get ready to navigate the world of Capital One payments. Understanding your payment channels, checks versus electronic transfers. First things first, how did you make that payment? Capital One offers several ways to settle your bills: the classic check, convenient online transfers, and even their automated autopay system. Each method has its own cancellation window, so let's break them down. The Old Faithful, checks. The trusty check. If you're a fan of the paper trail, you might have sent a good old-fashioned check. Here's the deal: once you've mailed that check, it's pretty much out of your control. Capital One can't intercept it mid-delivery. But there's a glimmer of hope. You can place a stop payment order. This instructs Capital One to refuse to honor the check, essentially bouncing it when it arrives. However, there's a fee involved, and it's only effective for 6 months. So, act fast, and be aware that the recipient might still try to cash it, leading to potential bank charges. The speedy route, electronic transfers. In today's digital age, most of us likely use online transfers for bill payments. Now, this is where things get interesting. Capital One differentiates between pending and processed payments. Pending payments, you're saving grace. If you've just scheduled an online transfer and it hasn't been processed yet, you're in luck. Capital One allows you to cancel these pending payments through their online banking platform or mobile app. Look for the Scheduled Payments section and find the specific transaction you want to stop. With a click or a tap, you can prevent that transfer from going through. Processed payments, gone but not forgotten. Did you miss the cancellation window and your payment has already been processed? Unfortunately, Capital One can't reverse a completed transfer. The funds have already been sent to the recipient. Autopay, friend or foe? For the forgetful folks out there, Capital One's Autopay is a lifesaver. It automatically deducts your payment on a set date, ensuring you never miss a due date. But what if you need to adjust your schedule? The good news is, you can cancel upcoming autopay payments. However, similar to online transfers, there's a catch. You can only cancel payments that haven't been initiated yet. Once the process starts, you're out of luck for that particular payment cycle. But you can always adjust the autopay date for future payments. Beyond cancellation, exploring your options. Alright, so you weren't able to stop the payment. Don't despair. Here are some alternative solutions. Contact the recipient. Depending on the situation, reaching out to the payee and explaining your mistake might work. Some merchants might be understanding and allow you to reverse the payment or credit your account. Negotiate a payment plan. Can't afford the full amount right now? Talk to the recipient and see if you can work out a payment plan. This can spread out the cost and ease the financial burden. Explore Capital One's resources. Capital One offers various resources to help you manage your finances. Check out their budgeting tools or explore hardship programs that might offer temporary relief. Remember, act quickly. The key takeaway here is to act fast. The sooner you realize your mistake, the higher your chances of stopping the payment. Whether it's online cancellation or a stop payment order on a check, every second counts. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.